Daniel from Deals Down Under with another Amazon mystery box opening. These boxes are all packed by Amazon. They're overstock, liquidation, and all kinds of stuff. And you don't know what you're getting inside, so let's take a look. Alright. Looks like some interesting stuff in here. This is a TSA approved toiletry bag. What's this? Oh, 3D printing filament. So these do really well in our store. They sell basically as soon as we put them on the shelves. We put them up for 50% off retail. So these go up for about $8. So we've got 4 boxes of those. They retail for about $15, $20. More of these TSA toiletry bags. Got 3 of those. What's this thing? Automatic pet feeder. Nice. So this will sell pretty quickly in our store as well. So that's a nice find. Bunch of phone cases down here. Bunch of, they look like some type of flag or something like that. That's what I like to call the junky stuff. We got some glasses. This is some Christmas decor. T-shirt hem. More decor, a little shifter. My dad would be happy to see that I finally got one of those. Unicorn tea party. Okay. So the rest of this, what is this? This is a wig. Oh, this is actually, we found these before. We actually have a few of these on the shelves. These retail for about $80. And they're real human hair. So we've got one. This I don't know if it's real human hair. No, this is nylon hair. This is human hair. So we've got 2 of the 3, 4, 5 of the nylon hair and 1 of the human hair. And this is another unicorn tea party set. More party supplies. More party supplies. And this is the human hair one. Alright, so it was a decent box. Another hair wig set. Oh, this is the human hair as well. So yeah, this is a pretty good valuable box. I'd say that we're looking at, oh, I don't know, $200 to $300 in retail, especially with those human hair wigs. This stuff will go into the article. I'll break it all down. The link will be in the description if you want to check out the what exactly was in it and how much it cost, and the breakdown. And you can go and purchase it if you're here in Hot Springs and pick it up. If you want a mystery box for yourself, you can buy one of those as well, and we'll ship it out to you. But this is what an Amazon mystery box looks like. You never know what you're getting. You can get really valuable stuff and you can get not so valuable stuff. I've seen drones worth $1,500 come out of them, and I've seen party supplies, so you just don't know. So yeah, this is an Amazon box. Hope you enjoy.